fully on. Okay, okay, sit down and think that a manager goes on TV. A manager, you they look for the best for the artist. Every manager we are managed, we come and work with me as manager. If me and the manager, right, you don't come and take decisions for me. The manager, you are working for me. You are not working for yourself. So the moment you do like you want to take decisions for me, you will go. Because you are not even accepting the decision. I am the artist. The country will be independent. If Ghana where they say we win independence. I don't know say if the independence we make me Saturday Stoneboy Medikal Medikal recently Medikal came into the industry. Niggas been working so hard. But the industry they see I'm like, oh, ready I said, but make I tell you, medical idea like me. Like medical is like Shatta Wale Jr. where he starts life. Where he say no, Charlie you send me yes, he positions it. You see the boy that medical. Forget any artist from Ghana here. He's the most smartest artist that I've ever met in my life. That's why I get him tattoo for my hand. Okay? Oh well, MDK. That's why I tattoo MDK for my hand. He's the only person in Ghana that has his name, that the artist. Sometimes when I do something where you put the sit on the watch, I see people like, hey, Jimmy. Ghana they born. Ghana Jimmy they here. So if you don't make mistake, where you think proper, before you realize you go join a gang of friends or a group of friends. With them it be Jimmy squad. Jimmy squad. When you bring idea, this one go bring another. When you bring idea, this one, them they won't make somebody buy champagne, maybe enter club and drink something and enjoy themselves. They won't make somebody buy champagne or maybe some girl to do party or that be the life some people they live. We know they think like that. Ask Medikal, I know they think like that. To me, my mind all the billions of dollars. If you know if you be think of billions of dollars, mine, you can't be my friend. Cause I mean I like play. Why you know be you got can't tell me say you like play. You know like 3 songs pass me, bad man. You know like 4 girls pass me. But man, if I get one girl where they chop am, if you did there, your heart go cut. Cause I they make love. You know like woman pass me. You know like club pass me. You know like cars pass me. You know like